Clear to land runway 7, Southwest 926.
Yeah man, greetings everyone watching this video. This video was recorded a few days before Jamaica felt the impact of Hurricane Beryl. So by this day you're watching, Jamaica would have been affected by Hurricane Beryl at this time. So if it is that you have loved ones on the island, you have people, make sure you keep in touch with them, check on them. This system seems to be a serious one, and we'll need all the assistance you have to offer when this is over. With your strength and prayers, we hope to move forward. So as I say, this one was a few days, good times in Jamaica still. Let's see how this goes. We'll keep you abreast of the happenings through this medium, this channel also. Bless up.
1217 on ground, Southwest 926.
The target morning, JetBlue 521 on the islet.
521, thanks, sir. JetBlue 521, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
Land JetBlue 521. Right turn and over to ground point 7, JetBlue 521.
2300, holding short, runway 07.
American 2300, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Takeoff, runway 07, emergency.
American 2300, airborne 48, approach 1208, good day.
1208, American 2300, have a good day.
Tower American A6, be ready, holding short of 07.
63 Tower, stand by.
1462 is checking in with you on the ILS runway 7.
462 Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 07, you're on 1462.
Market 863, cleared immediate takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots, no delays on the roll.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, American A63.
1462, continue approach, cut it back to minimum.
Down and continue approaching on 1462.
1462, clear to land 7060 degrees, 13 knots.
2070 on 146 AM.
863, off time 55, thanks approach 1208, good day.
120.8, American 863, good day, sir.
United 1462, you're on time 57, exit high speed, ground 1217.
And ground point 7, United 1462.
That was 272, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
272.
272, the wind 070 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
272.
Tower, good morning, Copa 146, approaching Anapa.
272 on time 01, exit high speed, ground 1217.
Autograph Southwest 272.
146, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
7, Copa 146.
46, clear to land, runway 07, degrees, 15 knots.
Land 07, Copa 146.
540, you're taxiing to hold short on Delta for the runway 7 intersection departure.
73540, thanks to Roger, hold short runway 07.
540.
Forward 370, Romeo 6 miles northwest, Manila 37.
70, thanks to Roger, continue, approach runway 07, plan to vacate the taxiway Charlie, aircraft on Delta. 0, that's continue left base, runway 07.
Left base 7.
Now Boeing 73 traffic, approximately 5.5 miles. Descending to 1,500 feet now.
Traffic inside 370, Romeo.
Arrive to 05, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha, point clear contact ground 121.7, expedite.
Alpha Copa 146, and confirm the frequency.
Small taxi, sir.
121, expediting, 1217, Copa 146.
481, thanks to talk, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach, Southwest 2481.
To tell clear to land runway 07.
07, Southwest 2481.
07, reduce the minimum approach speed.
7 reducing to minimum approach speed, Roger 165.
70, Roman, proceed to final pass, discretion, caution weak.
Proceeding to final 737, Romeo.
81 arrived 08, vacate runway via taxiway Delta. Ground 1217 clear. Correction, via taxiway Bravo. Ground 1217 clear. It's 2481, vacate via Delta. Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Contact ground, 0.7 Southwest 2481.
Number 370, runway thanks to tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees 14.
Ground 07, 370 now.
3540, thanks to tower.
540, ready to go on Delta.
Behind arriving Cessna 206, line up and wait, runway 07, intersection Delta, behind.
Landing 206, line up on the wait, 540.
JetBlue 780, holding short, holding point Alpha, ready for departure.
JetBlue 780, thanks to tower, roger, hold short, runway 07.
JetBlue 780.
70 runway arrived 09er, vacate runway via taxiway Charlie, when clear, contact ground 121.7 clear.
Charlie 117 clear, 370 now.
Number 73540, thanks to tower, clear takeoff runway 07, intersection Delta, wind 060 degrees at 13, QNH 1016.
540, clear for takeoff runway 7.
One 165 heavy, thanks to tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 at 12.
07, Virgin 165 heavy.
780 tower.
Ready.
0 behind the heavy Boeing 78 on short final, line up and wait behind runway 07.
Behind landing traffic, line up and wait on runway 07, JetBlue 780.
Tower American 857, direct Maxi, ILS TME 07.
65 heavy arrived 12, vacate via taxiway Bravo, wind clear, contact ground 121.7.
117, Virgin 165 heavy.
American 857, Sangster Tower, good day, continue approach for me, 07.
57, continue. Sure that does hold short, so.
Cessna November Juliet, Sangster Tower, roger, hold short, runway 07.
Short 7, good on.
JetBlue 780, Sangster Tower, wind 070 at 14, clear takeoff, runway 07. Thank you, Juliet November Juliet, Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07, intersection Delta.
Line up point, intersection Delta 07, over, good on.
November Juliet, wind 070 degrees at 13, clear takeoff runway 07, intersection Delta.
Delta 07, requesting early left there.
Approved, one safely able, remain north and cleared, approach path runway 07.
November Juliet.
0 airborne 13, contact Sangster radar 120 decimal 8 today.
120.8, good day, JetBlue 780.
Thank you, Juliet November Juliet, traffic, Airbus 321, 7 miles final, descent at 2,000 feet, remain north and clear, report in sight.
North and clear, copy, looking for traffic, November Juliet.
57, thanks to tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 at 13.
57, clear to land runway 07.
Route 17, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha, wind clear runway, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
57, vacate on Alpha, ground point 7. 1955 with your RMP 07.
1955, thanks to tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07.
1955.
1955, thanks to tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 at 12.
Land 07, that's 195.
Route 24, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha. When clear runway, contact thanks to ground 121.7. Good day.
For them, point 7 up to 1955, vacate. Be ready upon reaching.
1762, thanks to tower, Roger, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 060.
Runway 07, Delta 1762.
Seven 62 Airborne 31, contact thanks to radar 120.8. Good day.
Thanks to Delta 1762, good day, sir.